So this is a landing page when the user come into the web application and then sign in with their details. It will show them the weekly timetable. Let's say if I want to make a booking on Monday at 3, I will select the subject, the topic under the subject, and also the date range that I'm available. I'm allowed to choose the date range from today, like 2 weeks from today, and then this one. Okay. Okay. The user can also choose the level of importance. Let's say if they have a CA coming up, it might be like high or medium. The slot they select is automatically selected. They can also choose other slot that is available for them to do the tutorial. And then we say request tutorial. It will show them to make sure they want to send this tutorial, and then say it will show the post say, oh, you will receive a confirmation email when the request is booked. If I want to join another tutorial that is made by others, I click on this one, and then it will show cryptography application. If I want to join, I just say request, and you say your request sent. I can also see which tutorial I have made the request. If I click on entrepreneurship, it says, oh, you have booked for this tutorial, please come in on time. Just show them they have registered for this tutorial.